Everybody. Let's say it. Hey. Hello family, we are back once again in my sister's house to cook some authentic palm nut soup with fufu to celebrate our 200,000 subscribers milestone. Abenkwan, as it is locally called in Ghana, is made from palm nut base combined with flavorful marinated meats and smoked fish. It is very common in West Africa and I know it is called BANGA soup in Nigeria. Guys, I am at Sister Ajara's place, and as you can see the smiles on my face, it shows you how I'm so excited to be here. Today she's going to teach us, today she's not going to teach us anything. We are just going to celebrate 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, okay? 100,000, we cooked some food for the market women in Sunyani. But today we are going to cook for the people in our family, and she's going to teach us how to make palm nut soup, which is very easy but not that easy, okay? Because you have to pound. We are starting from scratch. So Auntie Ajara is here. Let's go and see Auntie Ajara. Auntie Ajara.
I miss you. I miss you. I miss everybody.
Hey, people have been commenting. Are you fighting with Auntie Ajara?
How can we fight? Fighting is not good. If you want fight, you catch fight. If you don't want, you won't fight.
Yes, we don't want
fight. If fight come, fight will run away and leave us alone. And I won't do it.
No. They've been commenting where you are. These are the ingredients, right?
For our soup.
Yes. So what do we have?
I have my cow meat here.
Adrene, catfish, smoked catfish.
Okay, and this one
salted tilapia. Then we have our mackerel. That's fresh mackerel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okra, ginger, pepper, garlic, tomato.
We have our tomatoes here.
Yeah, salt
to taste, and then aiding fruits. Okay. Now you have any aiding fruits. And then we have our cassava, and then our plantain. Then we have our palm nuts and our turkey berries. So these are the ingredients.
So I'm coming to pound it before sieve it and put it on fire.
Oh, okay. So you cook the palm nuts and the turkey berry together. Why?
Oh, turkey berry is very good for the body. If you eat, you get blood. If your blood circle or vessel is not clean,
it will clean it for you.
Yeah.
Doctor.
So it's very good. You can use it for even apesi, stew, everything.
Okay.
So and it also gives taste.
It's true.
It is sweetless.
Let's say a bit
sweet top.
Okay. Sweet top. So will you pound it together with this?
Yes, you can pound with it.
So we are going to pound this thing.
When I finish pounding, I will sieve it. Okay. So there is no need for me to remove the small sticks.
Okay.
And even the small sticks too is medicine.
Okay.
So I have to add it together. But if you want, you can remove it from it. But as for me, I like adding the small sticks
to it. Small sticks. Yeah, we will.
So my is done. So I'm pouring it. You understand?
So you keep pounding. Ghanaians love palm nut soup. But it's too difficult to do it. It takes time.
If you are a lazy woman,
you can't do it.
Yeah.
You have to pound, remove all the distinct juice from it before you start your soup.
Yes.
And it also takes time to cook.
There is a lot of benefits. You get a lot of benefits from it. Like you get oil for another food.
Okay.
You can use it for your okra. stew. And the chaff too, you can use it for firewood. And
it's not for firewood. You can use it to light up your fire.
Okay. Point of correction. You can use it to light your fire. And this one too. The babies.
The what babies?
The small babies, black babies inside. They use it to prepare oil.
Yes.
That's ajongo.
Yes, palm kernel oil. Kernels you get in it now. You use it to make oil. You get oil from it.
You can use it to prepare food, rice, plantains, yam, everything. And the same time today, palm nut tree. You can get palm wine.
Palm wine, yeah. You can get palm wine and you can get broom from the branches. And
at the same time, you can get mushrooms. When the tree fall down, die floor, put down. You get mushroom under the trees.
So when they cut it down. And then
the tree die on the floor. You don't understand my English?
I understand.
I mean, when the tree die, get mushrooms under the tree, and you can use it to prepare soup. Tell me, I've been traveling, so now my English is Polish.
Oh, my So yeah, you can get lots of things from palm tree and then the palm nut itself. You can even take it one like this and then eat it, okay?
Like you have boiled it like this. Yeah, you can eat it.
And you can eat it.
It's very delicious.
Oh no, I have to marry.
Yeah, some.
Hey,
you can even put it on fire
and roast it.
And you done it like small one. And put inside.
Hey, this is new to me.
Yeah,
that's nice.
Everything is possible.
Yeah, Ghana dear. Okay, you can add in water when it's too thick or what?
So that it won't
fall down.
Yeah.
Bro.
When you are pounding, it's bend.
It's what is the meaning? It's so it comes out.
Yes. So when you add in the water, it makes it tight and stitchy.
And you're stitchy. What is stitchy?
It don't break down.
So sticky. It sticks together. Hey, who? I said no dictionary. No, I'm not yet there. Oh, guys, so we are pounding our palm nuts right now. So we are prepping our veggies like the onion, ginger, and garlic.
So I'm adding my water. This one is cold water.
So I'm going to add in hot water. Yes. So you mix hot and then cold together. Okay. You can't use only cold water.
No. If you use old cold water, your soup will sleep. So when you add in the hot water, it's quite better. You understand?
It will get oily.
Yeah. Okay. So, but when you add in the hot water,
it melts it.
It wake up.
Okay. To wake up. I feel of TV you show. You won't sit down.
My chair is too short.
So I should give you mine.
Okay.
I'll say my dog. Sit. And I'll sit here. No, I won't sit on it. You have to put palm oil on it. Ade!
It's too. It's hot. Too hot for me. Because of the hot water, you can feel the oil.
Yeah.
On top.
So you don't have to take the kernels together with the skin, right?
No. You have to separate it.
Separate what?
Separate the small balls from
this one.
Yes. So our lovely subscribers, we say we thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing it to your family and friends. Subscribe for us. We appreciate you a lot. We say God bless you. Thank you for supporting our channel to grow. We say God bless you. We thank everybody who has been forwarding our channel to their friends and still forwarding. We say God bless you.
Aiding fruit. Okay. Now you have any aiding fruit?
No. Birding fruit.
Birding fruit. This is aiding fruit. It's medicinal. Very it smells really good, but when you go to like Côte d'Ivoire, they use it for only medicine. They use it for malaria medicine. In Ghana, we also use it for our soup.
So I'm about to start my soup. So I'm washing my meat to put it on fire to start my sweet palm nut soup. My cow meat is here. First round and second round. My mackerel too is here.
So we are starting our soup. She just poured in her blended vegetables, ginger, onion, pepper, garlic, and then now adding in her proteins.
My tomatoes. I'm putting in onion. So when my soup is well cooked, then I will grind it with the tomato. You understand?
You grind it?
Yes.
Adding salt to taste.
Because of the salted fish, you have to reduce the salt. Otherwise, your soup will be saltless.
So it will be too much salt, not saltless. Saltless means there is no salt.
Ah, okay.
Less, no go me.
Say no, my body crew or bro for him to know. So, you my dear brothers are now about you. Here is my firewood garage.
You keep your firewood over there.
So everybody have garage. Park their cars, their motors,
Everything.
Yeah, but me, I have firewood.
Garage.
So my garage is at the back there.
Hey, it's true. She has lots of firewood behind
Firewood garage.
her kitchen.
You can see. rains,
it will not touch it.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to start sieving our this thing. How many times will you sieve it?
It's on to you, the person. Some sieve 3, 4. It's up to you, and it depends the thing you use to sieve.
Oh,
You see, this one is big,
That's
so
one,
you
yeah.
can use this one to sieve 2,
Okay.
and you add this one
Oh,
to finalize it.
Finalize it, no question.
Hello.
So you remove the chaff. Is it chaff? Kernel.
That
The
they use
adje.
to-
So this is the kernel. They use it for palm kernel oil. This is the kernel fruit. The kernel. This is what you get from the black
You
stuff.
can chew it too.
Yeah, I can chew it.
Oh, it smells good. It's boiling.
Okay.
Wait.
So we are pouring it. So this is actually the soup wrong. You don't add any water.
No. So I'm tutoring my pepper prekese.
You are going to roast
Yes.
it.
I've already washed it
Why do you have to roast it?
so that you can get the smell, the aroma. When you put it in the fire, it smells good.
Oh.
Why you will go long days like that? So you see, put it inside.
Just straight away.
Yes.
You won't wash it.
No, I've already washed it. How do you feel the aroma of the soup?
It smells good.
Dai, I'm afraid me yako bisuja later me.
Correct.
Ayi, ka raise me. Say no mba no mcheche fun. I want to put my cassava on the fire. So I'm transferring my soup.
So you pour the one here to the new one.
Yeah.
And you're going to cook your cassava in the
On
pot.
the So I'm coming to grind my tomatoes. With the onion.
So guys, Nancy Ajara is going to grind her tomatoes and then the onion. Being said that, I want to ask you all to use my promo code TATI on your first transaction when using tap send. Okay, it helps them know that my people too are using my name. And then they have introduced wallets to Europe. So if you have the best rates, you can send money through that rate, and then you save it, you store that money in your wallet. Whenever you want to send it to your loved ones here in Ghana, you can do it. So first can you go wallet muna yese susu no na later no unya time as I send them our busian for na fe de wa send them more. Use me promo code no so TATI say afi e na oba be download the tap sender. My name is Sister Aja. Yeah, what has say we cleaning toes. Aja is grinding her tomatoes.
See, I finished grinding my tomato and the onion.
So you pour it inside. Our cassava is ready. Our food is ready and we are serving the family. Everybody is going to eat. And we have multiple family members here. Our soup is ready, so you can see the oil she was talking about. That later you can scoop some of the oil aside for your stew or your anything that you want to use to.
Okra stew. Apesie with stew.
Yeah, boom.
You can use it for garlic jollof.
So you scoop it aside. Food is done. We are going to serve. So guys, our food is ready. Our 200,000 subscribers food is ready. You know, when we reach a milestone, we have to do something for somebody, for ourselves, for everybody out there. And today we are doing it among ourselves.
Yeah.
So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for the genuine love, the comments, everything. And the love you give to Sister Aja. You know I can never do anything without her. You already know that, okay? So we are here. And today we have our palm nut soup with our fufu and some meat, and fish and so on. What do you know? Don't koto. Penifon ne bedi kenyaji. Na mumunta hon share.
1, 2, 3.
Allez, parti. Non.
It's hot.
Ash. And no more money, my dear, she didn't.
I'm trying to win.
Oh, dear, her to this. You can't be a man. It's yours. The man named the Modi and you, number 4.
Oh, 1 and 5.
Me, I like eating hot food, so I can eat it.
The food is so tasty.
Yeah, tasty.
Delicious.
Yummy, tasty. Delicious.
So tasty.
Tasty, just like it's common.
One can is 30.
Dear Ben.
I've had it
one. Ah. I had papa. And I know that. Mental some more baby, you better na mana.
Nam the very body in my toe.
Oh, I know, right?
According to body size. To our show, my behunam.
My guys.
Many eyes are. Mother,
So
what
1 pound to Guys, thank you for watching the video, okay? We are enjoying. See you next time. Aja.
Ciao, ciao. Thank you. Always subscribe. Always pray for us. If me and my sister, we are do something to any of you and it's pain you, please forgive us and always enjoy our videos.
If you need food, catering services, call Sister Aja. She's available for you. Put your number there.
020 708 1313.
Again.
020. You want to eat the food and leave me? 020 708 1313.
Thank you. Guys, thank you for watching. Everybody, let's say, hey.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.